Everyone talks about earning money online, but very few reveal the real secrets behind daily passive income. The truth is, most people give up because they don't understand how online investments actually work. Today, I'm going to uncover the secrets no one tells you about generating daily income from online investments. These are practical, proven methods that can help you earn consistently, not overnight, but for the long term. If you've been struggling to make your money grow or wondering why your investments don't produce daily results, this video will give you the clarity you've been missing. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I share practical strategies on making money online, building passive income, and achieving financial freedom step by step. You don't want to miss what's coming next. What we'll cover: the hidden truth about daily online income, secrets behind consistent passive earnings, step-by-step guide to build reliable daily returns, common mistakes that stop you from earning, how you can apply these secrets starting today. The hidden truth about daily online income. Here's the thing: daily online income doesn't come from hype or luck. It comes from systems. Most people look for instant profits, but the real earners focus on building sustainable, automated income streams. The truth is, you don't need to spend hours trading or checking charts. You just need the right mix of low-risk investments, smart automation, and reinvestment. Once it's set up, your money keeps generating returns quietly in the background. Secrets behind consistent passive earnings. Secret number 1: compound growth is the real game changer. Most people withdraw profits too soon. But when you reinvest even a portion of your daily earnings, your returns grow exponentially. That's the compounding effect, and it's the biggest secret to daily income success. Secret number 2: diversification protects your income. Never depend on one source. Combine platforms like P2P lending, dividend-paying stocks, staking, or mutual funds. This spreads your risk and keeps your income steady, even when one source slows down. Secret number 3: focus on automation, not manual work. Use tools or platforms that manage reinvestments automatically. The less time you spend managing, the more time you spend earning. Secret number 4: daily income doesn't mean daily trading. You don't need to buy and sell every day. Many platforms distribute profits daily from fixed investments. That's real passive income, not constant hustle. Step-by-step guide to build reliable daily returns. Step 1: choose the right platforms. Select trusted apps like Grow, Zerodha, Qvra, or safe P2P networks. Always check reviews, licenses, and community feedback before investing. Step 2: start small, then scale. Begin with a small, comfortable amount, maybe 5,000 to 10,000 Indian rupees. Focus on learning how the system works before increasing your capital. Step 3: set up auto reinvest. Many platforms offer auto reinvest or recurring investment options. Turn them on. This small setting makes a massive difference over time. Step 4: track your earnings weekly. You don't need to check your dashboard every hour. A quick weekly review helps you understand which investments are performing best. Step 5: add new streams gradually. Once one investment is stable, add another. For example, mix P2P lending with a dividend fund or staking asset. This keeps your income growing safely. Common mistakes that stop you from earning. Mistake number 1: chasing unrealistic returns. If something promises to double your money overnight, it's a trap. Real online income grows steadily, not suddenly. Mistake number 2: ignoring research. Don't invest blindly. Spend time learning about each platform, understand how they generate returns, and manage risk. Mistake number 3: lack of patience. The biggest difference between people who succeed and those who quit? Patience. Daily income is built over time, not in a week. How you can apply these secrets starting today. If you're serious about earning online, here's your action plan. Choose one trusted investment platform. Start with a small, safe amount. Enable automation wherever possible. Reinvest part of your profits every week. Track your progress and stay consistent. Once your system is running, you'll realize making daily income online isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face when it comes to investing online? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll personally reply to as many as I can. So there you have it, the online investment daily income secrets no one tells you. If I can build this system and make it work, so can you. Which secret surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real-world money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.